located 6 miles south of Statesville, or near Troutman, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Very nice.
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Statesville, Maiden, Westport, Troutman, Lake Norman State Park, Denver, Sherrill Ford, Bandy's, and Terrell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Lake Norman, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm.
Sure it can.
If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free
1-800-267-8101
or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Catawba, Idell, and Lincoln.
Well, GSP.
The National